Ever wondered which business school out of IMS Ghaziabad, JIMS Rohini and IILM gives you the best return on investment? Today, we're going to do a deep dive and compare these three prestigious institutions. Hold tight, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of which one could be your gateway to success. First, we'll take a look at IMS Ghaziabad. Established in the late 80s, it's an institution that has built a reputation for excellence over the decades. It's globally accredited and consistently ranks amongst the top business schools in India. Next, let's move to JIMS Rohini. Founded in the mid-90s, JIMS Rohini has made significant strides in the world of management education and holds national and international accreditations. It's also known for its strong industry connections. Last, but certainly not least, we have IILM. With its roots dating back to the early 90s, IILM is a pioneer in the field of business education. It's recognized for its innovative curriculum and has a global network of alumni. Now it's time to compare these institutions on various parameters. We're going to evaluate them on curriculum, faculty, placements, and infrastructure. The curriculum at each institution is rigorous and contemporary. However, IILM takes the lead with its innovative, globally benchmarked curriculum. When it comes to faculty, all three institutions boast of seasoned academicians and industry veterans. But IMS Ghaziabad edges ahead with its high faculty-to-student ratio. In terms of placements, JIMS Rohini has a slight advantage with a higher average salary package. And as for infrastructure, all three institutions provide state-of-the-art facilities, but IILM stands out with its green, sprawling campus. To wrap up, it's clear that each institution has its strengths and unique selling points. IMS Ghaziabad shines with its experienced faculty and student-centric approach. JIMS Rohini excels in placements and has strong industry linkages. IILM impresses with its innovative curriculum and sustainable campus. So, which one should you choose? It depends on what you value most in a business school. If faculty quality and personalized attention are your top priorities, consider IMS Ghaziabad. If you're looking for strong placements and industry connections, JIMS Rohini could be your best bet. And if you value innovation and sustainability, IILM could be the right choice for you. Remember, choosing a business school is a significant decision that can shape your career. So take your time, do your research, and make an informed choice. Good luck!